I read somewhere that you said you just feel so happy to be a part of this film. How is it working with Anand?
With Anand ji? Anand ji के मुझे अपने बचपना की याद आती है. एकदम बच्चे जैसे हैं. रोते हैं, लड़ते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, कुछ समय के लिए बात नहीं करते, चुप हो जाते हैं, फिर हंसते हैं, फिर खाते हैं, पीते हैं. खाते वक्त खाना उनके शर्ट पे गिर जाता है. तो बिल्कुल बच्चे जैसे हैं ये. तो मज़ा आता है इनको देखते हुए, इनकी कहानियाँ सुन के. और साथ में हिमांशु जी जब होते हैं, हिमांशु जी का कमाल है. हमेशा हर जगह पे इनको बुला लो, हमेशा 1-1.25 घंटे लेट ही पहुँचते हैं. आज तक समझ में नहीं आया ये कैसे होता है. मतलब ये कैसे, इनकी कौन सी घड़ी है जो 1.25 घंटे लेट चलती है. ये आज मैं ये सवाल इनकी बीवी से भी पूछूंगा कि ऐसा क्या करती हैं जो ये लेट पहुंचता आदमी. खैर जो भी है, लेकिन आनंद जी के साथ और इनकी पूरी टीम के साथ बहुत मज़ा आया. जब ये कहानी मैंने सुनी थी तो उसी वक्त करीबन आधे घंटे के अंदर मैंने कहा था, मैं भले मेरा रोल इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, ये पूरी फिल्म सारा की और धनुष की है, एंड लेकिन ये फिल्म मैं कहा मुझे इस फिल्म का हिस्सा बनना है, क्योंकि अगर आप लोग ये फिल्म ऐसी कहानी सोच सकते हो तो मैं क्यों इस कहानी को कर क्यों नहीं सकता हूँ. तो मैं इसीलिए बहुत मज़ा आया इनके साथ काम करके.
और रोमांस
सारी चीज़ें आज ही पता करोगी.
बस थोड़ा ही मैं पूछ रही हूँ. एक ही मैंने 2 शब्द कहे, रोमांस और रोमांस.
रोमांस के बारे में सारा जी आपको बताएंगे. रोमांस
नहीं, वैसे मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ सारा जी कि वो खाते भी हैं पर खिलाते भी हैं ना.
बहुत खिलाते हैं,
बहुत खिलाते हैं. ये मैंने पढ़ा है कि आपको खाना खिलाते हैं, घर से खाना आता है.
भाभी बनाती है खाना और भेजती है. आनंद जी की वाइफ बहुत यमी खाना बनाती है.
But now, since we are talking about the music of the film, Chaka Chak is getting so much love all over the country. तो ये बताइए कि कैसा लग रहा है to be a part of a song like this, dancing to one of Rahman sir's beautiful songs?
It's just surreal. You know, one has grown up listening to Rahman sir's music. He is truly an inspiration. He's an institution in music. And I think that, you know, today when I was watching, because I'm watching this song on YouTube constantly, I couldn't believe that firstly, it started from it being a scratch that Anand ji made me hear. Then it became something that I kept hearing when Vijay sir would say music, and then I would dance to it on set. And now it's something that I can just press play and watch. And it's his music, it's Irshad sir's lyrics, it's Shreya ma'am's voice. It's not real. It's really not real that a year ago, right after lockdown, we were in Madurai shooting this song, and now we are watching it and hopefully dancing to it and hopefully celebrating it. But it's not real.
You know what's also not real, Anand ji? All your stories are atrangi, hatke, different. And this particular one, I think, just tops the list. So I want to ask you, in terms of, like, they're not your regular stories at all. Where does your inspiration strike from?
मेरे को लग रहा है जो मेरी वीकनेस थी मैंने उसको स्ट्रेंथ बना लिया. I want to stay among people whom I love. I try my best that I keep things very positive around me, happy around me, and this feeling of मैं थोड़ा सा philosophical होता चला जाऊँगा इसमें, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पिछले कुछ सालों में, couple of years, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि we have not giving that kind of importance to love जैसा होना चाहिए. It should be the most important thing for us. और but अतरंगी again it has been a great experience for me. और ये फिल्म करते करते मुझे खुद को ये लगने लगा था कि it's beautifully, it's really beautiful to be in love with somebody.
And the name, where did the name come from, or how did you decide that this is what my, or did you know right up top when this story was being written that it is going to be called?
Actually, कहाँ से आया नाम हिमांशु? हाँ, so the title was with us for a long time, but जब हम register करने गए तो पता चला वो सलमान भाई के पास है. But so nice of him, he gave us the title, and but we have really enjoyed working on this film. It has been a मेरे लिए एकदम मेले की तरह था, you know. It's like a trip, it's like a ride. It's such a beautiful roller coaster ride जहाँ पे आप हर moment enjoy करते हैं जब. So this has been a great experience. मैंने genuinely हमें नहीं पता चला. We have shot this film in pandemic, but lockdown time में. But जब भी हम निकले, मुझे लग रहा था हमारा immune system high हो जाता था when we are on the sets. So God has been kind to us in the entire process, and things are there in front of you.
Beautiful. Akshay, how can there be a film which Akshay Kumar is a part of and there's no like action, or is there some action that's magically going to sort of show up in this film?
well, जहाँ तक एक्शन का सवाल है, इसमें थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन है, ज़्यादा नहीं है, और
है तो
थोड़ा बहुत है. इन्होंने मौका दिया, नहीं तो इनके अंदर से निकलता नहीं है एक्शन वर्ड. मतलब शूटिंग के वक्त तो निकलता है, लेकिन एक्शन इनसे होता नहीं है. और मतलब लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा बहुत किया, and that's it.
Anandji, you've gone on record saying that Atrangi Re is about love, it's about patience, and it's about madness. Love, though, there has to be for every project that you're a part of. But how much patience and how much madness went into making it?
I personally feel कि मेरे अंदर madness कम है, इसलिए मैं ऐसे वाले actors ले लेता हूँ. You know, that is मेरे अंदर खुद के अंदर madness कम है, तो इसलिए नहीं, मैं इसकी बात कर रहा था.
हमें ही फंसा लीजिए आनंद जी.
अच्छा, मैं अगर if I tell little more about him ना, तो मैं ही फंसूंगा यहाँ पे. So for me it is हाँ, whatever I am lacking in my life मैं अपने आसपास से उठा लेता हूँ, और मेरे actors में बहुत.
Don't have patience either?
Patience मेरे पास है.
Patience है, madness
that I give it to them and take madness.
Excellent. But I want to ask you something. Who required more patience and who required more madness from you, as in out of these two?
They are full of madness.
No, but from you, who required more patience?
Patience.
कहाँ आपको अपने सब्र
को टेस्ट पे डालना पड़ा?
आप बोल सकते हो आनंद जी, मैं बुरा नहीं मानूंगी.
He didn't wait a second. You saw that, right?
My hand was here and he said it.
So, Sara, there is one person from the cast who we would have loved to have here. Dhanush, what was your experience, working with him? What was the on-screen chemistry like?
I think that, we all know what an outstanding actor Dhanush sir is. He's a national award winner. He is just so, I say it and I mean it, that I think that his NG takes are also worth learning from. Because there aren't any, to be honest. I think that these are all things that you would know though, I think that what you don't know is that he is so helpful, so humble, so supportive. Anandji and him have worked together before, and they obviously had this rapport with each other where they call each other bhai and like jump on each other and eat each other's food, and they have these sodas from South India that they, drink with each other, and it's all like, But there wasn't a single moment that they made me feel lesser than them in any way, which I am. I'm much younger.
You're being modest.
No, honestly, look at them. They're inspirations. They are so much more experienced. And I never ever felt out of place on that set. And I think part of that is because the world that Anandji creates and created, it took a moment for us to stop being Dhanush, the national award winner, and Sara, the funny girl on Instagram. and it immediately became Visu and Rinku in his world. And I'm so, so thankful to have been given that opportunity to truly and honestly live that character, that life, and that world with somebody as supportive as Dhanush and somebody as just outstanding as Anandji. And you haven't asked, but I will still say, if we're talking about inspiration and gratitude, I'm also so grateful to be able to have shared on-screen time with Akshay sir, because I have been a huge fan of his, as is anybody else. And I think that, you know, his star power and energy is unparalleled. And even there, with the spontaneity and with the stardom comes a really, really humble person that is so easy to work with. So thank you so much, Akshay sir, also.
Akshay, take a bow. That was like, wow. Really it was. But you deserve all of that and more. This today is the music launch of Atrangi Re. So maybe we can sort of wrap by letting everyone over here know and people who are sitting back home. What is the one reason, in your opinion, the one reason why people should watch Atrangi Re on the 24th of December when it releases? Each one of you. The one reason.
अरे आप कप्तान हो, आपको पूछ रही हैं।
नाम आप तीनों को पूछ रही हूँ, पर
लेकिन
कप्तान से
पहले बोलेगा ना।
We have really enjoyed making this film and we all were in love when we were making this film. हमने हर moment enjoy किया and I'm really looking forward that viewers will also enjoy every moment of the film.
What's the one thing? What's the one thing? What is the one USP, the special thing, or you know, what you hold dear to you in this film?
I think so.
Honestly,
I think so. The reason why people should watch it is because it's been directed by this man.
There you go.
This man, he has directed the film, and everybody knows about his capacity, his capability, what he can do. I have done in this 8 months, 9 months, I've finished 2 films with him. So, हाँ, वो आपको नहीं पता?
नहीं, मुझे पता था, पर मैं उसके बारे में बात थोड़ी कर सकती हूँ.
लेकिन मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. लेकिन इस आदमी के अंदर एक जादू है, और इसके अंदर एक वो वैसी चीज़ है जो मैं कई डायरेक्टरों के साथ काम कर चुका हूँ, जो कईयों में नहीं है. तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि लोगों को अगर ये फिल्म अतरंगी रे देखनी चाहिए तो इसकी वजह से, और जो हमारे राइटर हैं जिन्होंने इसके बारे में सोचा, कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में सोचा, और ऑब्वियसली रहमान साहब जिन्होंने इसके ऊपर बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक भी दिया है और पूरे इसको 4 चांद लगाए हैं, इन लोगों की वजह से इस फिल्म को देखना चाहिए लोगों को.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you so much.
सारा?
सर ने बोल दिया, मैं यही बोलने वाली थी और इन्होंने बोल दिया.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Akshay, for Sara and Anandji.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We've come to the end of this Atrangi evening, and I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us. And I'd like to wish the entire team of Atrangi Re all the very best for the film. It already looks like a blockbuster. And finally, a big thank you to Rahman sir for making this evening absolutely magical and beautiful. The music of Atrangi Re is already winning hearts, and as I just mentioned, 24th of December, that's the date all of us are going to mark in our calendars, because we'd love to see the film and we'd love to see the magic that Anandji here has sort of made. So thank you all, ladies and gentlemen, and a big thank you to all 3 of you. Thank you, and all the best.